Hi guys, welcome to the Eagle Eye spyware tutorial. I first want to thank you for ordering from my eBay store. Now let's get started. The first thing I want to tell you is that I'm using Windows XP to run Eagle Eye software, and I haven't had very many problems with it. I know that from Windows XP and below, there hasn't seemed to be very many problems, but with the new Vista, there tends to be some problems. I believe it's because you have to allow programs to be used on Vista, and since I don't have Vista on my computer, I'm not going to be able to show you how. If you can't figure it out and it doesn't work, let me know and I will refund your money. I always have 100% money back guarantee. Okay, so let's get started. When you put the CD in your computer, it's automatically gonna load with a page with a couple options. You want to click on My Purchase. Okay, now as it's loading, there it is. It says Eagle Eye Software. Click here to download. Click there and save it. And what you want to do is save it to your desktop so you know where it's at. Before we go any further, I know there's a way to download it under administrator stuff on your computer, but I actually have never used it like that, and I've always had 100% success using it like this. That's why I'm going to show you how to do it like this. But I'm going to cancel since I already have it on the computer. Okay, you also have the bonus, the extra earn money and support. Let me bring this down a little bit. And there it is. What you want to do right here is you want to left click. If you don't have WinZip, just go to Google and type in WinZip. It'll be a free program. And extract it here. Once you extract it, it will look something like this. It says Eagle Eye Full. So let's open it up. This morning I did a capture for a few minutes to show you how the program works. Okay, so once you open it up, it's going to have a README help file, which is going to go to a quick start showing you how to use the program. Click to exit. Okay, so before you start capture, you want to make sure and have the following enabled: keystrokes, programs used, websites visited, screenshots. Now I have it set for every 300 seconds. If you want it for more, remember it's going to take a lot of memory, and so if you have it for every 5 or 10 seconds, it's going to eat up your memory really quickly. Once you've viewed what you need to view, make sure and delete it or save it to another file on the disk or something to go back to it later. Otherwise, it's going to make your computer slow down. The screenshot format, the bitmap is fast capture large file size. It looks better than JPEG, so keep it on bitmap. Programs options: encrypted capture log, prompt for stealth mode, require password. I don't have a password required because I know where I have it on my computer, but if you want to require a password to actually open it up, go ahead and put it there and the password. Now remember, if you're going to run it when the computer starts up, make sure and click here for when Windows starts up. If you want to start in stealth mode, click that one. Auto capture at start, click that one. You need to have this stuff clicked if you want the program to work. Keep it at 5,000 lines. Don't email it to you. Mail configuration, the mail server, you're going to have to talk to your email provider and figure out the information, the mail server and the port. Then your email address goes right there. The email address from goes right there. The username and password goes there. You can send a test, send as attachments. Now with the email configuration part of it, I've had some success, but other times it hasn't worked. I don't think it's a big deal because you can still go back and view what you need to see, which I'm going to show you here in a minute. So once you got everything all set up, what you want to do is click on Start Capture. What would you like to name this capture? I just leave it at the date and the time and say OK. Okay, now to stick it in stealth mode, just click Stealth. Okay, it says the program will now minimize to the taskbar and remove itself from the applications list. In order to open the program again, hold down Control-Shift, press the F5 key. So we'll say OK, and let's see if that's going to work. Control-Shift, F5. It brings it right back up. Okay, now let's click Stop Capture. Okay, now to view something that's already been recorded, you click right here, Open Log. And we're going to go back, and I'm going to go to 7/18 because that's when I made the little video for us. And the capture log right there. Okay, so as you can see, the first thing that pops up is the keylogger, and it's going to show you the information of what happened this morning when I had it on stealth mode. It's a little bit hard to understand because it shows all the keys that were pressed. So if there's a backspace pressed, if there was a space bar pressed, if there was 1, 3, whatever, any keys that were pressed, it's going to show up on the screen. So right here it's going to show you the keystrokes. Right here it's going to show you the programs. So as you can see at 7:18, it looks like I opened up Eagle Eye. I enabled it in stealth mode and went to eBay. Looks like I went to my Google email account, and it looks like I even viewed an article submission. Websites. This part of the program I haven't had much luck in working, but I'm going to show you that it's not really necessary because there's a lot of great things about this program. Screenshots. Okay, so here's 3 screenshots it took. So remember, every 300 seconds it took a picture. Okay, so it looks like I went to eBay, and here I am putting in my username and password. It looks like I'm at Google, and it looks like I'm reading one of my emails on my Google Gmail account. Okay, now here's the best part of the program. There's a playback option, and this is gonna where you don't really know the keystrokes, because click on playback and then click play. It's gonna start from when the program first opened up, and it's gonna view everything. So as you can see right here underneath Camtasia Studio, start menu. If I want to skip and go to the next one, Mozilla Fire, it looks like I went to Firefox, and I'm typing in eBay, as you can see right there in the keyboard. Now this is going to be a little bit easier to understand because instead of keystrokes, it's going to show you exactly what's on. You probably saw that my password just got erased, or you probably can't see it because I don't want you to see my password. Okay, so as you can see now, I got a screenshot over here. So if I click once, there it is. Here I am putting in my keyword, my username and password, and click again and go back to the menu. Okay, and it looks like I typed in hello, backspace, Jack. And it looks like I'm writing an email to one of my customers. So as you can see, obviously if I had the screenshots at less than 300 seconds, I'd be able to tell a little bit more what's going on. But as you can see, I'm on eBay. I've logged into eBay, and I'm doing something with eBay. Okay, here we go. Just keep skipping. Okay, now it looks like I'm new screenshot, and it looks like I type in www.google, and there we go. Looks like now I'm on Google, and looks like I'm on my email. So as you can see, you were able to pick up, and I typed in F5 over and over and over, and the log. So as you can see from what we viewed, you were able to figure out that I went to the internet, I went to eBay, I went to my Gmail account, and that's the end of the log. So that's the last picture the program took. And we can push stop. That's it, guys. That's really how the program works. Once again, if you have any questions that I didn't answer, you can also contact the softwareresellers.net. They're the creators of this program. But if you have another question, just go ahead and email me through eBay. If it doesn't work and you've tried what I showed you and it still doesn't work, just please ask for a refund, and I'll refund your money. I always have a 100% money back guarantee, and I've always kept with that. So that's the end of this training video. I hope it works for you. Have a great week, and take care.